What go on YouTube? You don't know this another do it yourself. So we have another project come on deal with. You see me? I have a project come on deal with on the car, yeah. As you see the hood up, you don't know. Fix up the car, them service them for the winter, for the summer. Because the winter just gone. You see what I'm saying? We're gonna be doing a video, but just make it and done, right? 15 minutes, whatever. So show you how the rundown with me I deal with right now, alright? So yeah, there you go. 2014 Ford Escape. I had an accident for how long and I tried to fix it up and down, piece drop out, piece drop on. So I'm about to take this out and I got a new one and then drop it back in. And then next service we're gonna do the oil change on that, you see what I'm saying? And then we're gonna drive out and see how it feels. Maybe do the front brakes soon. And then we're gonna see what's going on. So stay tuned and see what's going on. First of all, me already pull off the little knob them from inside here, which is like this. You don't really know the tool that to pull this. I literally use like a little stick like this, pull them out, right? And then you got a T30. Got a T30 for your screws them for the headlight. And for the bottom part, I use 7 and I use 10. So there was like 10 millimeter right here, and these are like 7 millimeter for these ones here. So I pull these ones. I was gonna pull this out and then pull down this, and I can get access from inside instead of tearing off the whole bumper. So yeah, stay tuned and see what's going on. I just get this and flip it over like this. I had to start the car, let the car go on, you know, bubble, because it wasn't bubbling for a while. I really never done this before. I'm just looking through and seeing how this works out best for me. Yeah, so as I go, I'm gonna try and pop this out. Pop this section out, yeah. This section out. I don't want to go too far with this. I think that's okay because this section is off. That's all I need right there. And I think I need to pop this out. From the bottom piece. Yeah. So alright, check it out. Me there. Yeah man, I'm bridging there going all our vibes while pulling down this. So yeah, I got this out. This little bolt right here. And there's like 3 to 4 bolts on the inside right there. So I'll show you how it is. Yeah, those are the 3 bolts right there. There's one right there, there's under. So let's get that pull out and then we'll see where we're going. Yeah, so this is how the screws them. See, that's 1, 2, and there's 3. I'm gonna try